Alright, welcome into my computer. In this video I'm going to teach you how much it does cost, because the question is, how much does it cost to learn affiliate marketing? This video is going to be short. I'm going to get right to it, but I want you to see the potential of what you could be learning for free. Yeah, I said it already, for free if you choose. Of course, there is a price for advanced training, which I will share with you as well. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to see is my YouTube channel. I have it in incognito mode, so that way it doesn't show videos that I have unlisted. But if you want to know how to start right now, before even watching this video, you can just go right here to start here, or type in your browser, jonesrandomknowledge.com, or you click this, which is the simplest method, and it's going to take you over to this. Hey, I want to interrupt you real quick and let you know that there is a free ebook. It's called On My Way to Freedom. It's a checklist document. It's got 10 successful steps that have been proven to work in the industry for affiliate marketers by six-figure affiliate marketers. They're notes and emails all compiled together, what I have gathered in my journey. I'm giving it to you for free. Just go to my website. The information is at the end of this video. Thanks. Continue watching. At the time of this video, at the time of recording this is what it looks like. I just did some updates to it. You're going to get my 10 proven steps for a six-figure affiliate marketing business. It is a very easy checklist. It does not take long to consume this content. But to download it, you must put in your name and your email, which gets you on my email list. And I am an affiliate. Here's my disclosure. Here's my legal information if you want to check that out. I do get paid whenever you buy from my affiliate partners. But in this question, how much does it cost to get started to learn affiliate marketing? This is free. Now, there are other bonuses when you do go through this that I don't share publicly, which are also free. That's one way that I help my audience. Eventually, you will be offered this opportunity here where you can join my class, where I have at this time of the recording 74 students in here. It is simple. As you can see, I keep them accountable for when the due dates are, when the subjects are needed to be turned in, to try to keep them accountable and motivated. There's literally 4 steps in this course, but I give my complete secrets that I don't share publicly right here. How to start with no money right here. How to record your first video without using equipment that is fancy right there. So if this interests you, again, jonesrandomknowledge.com, put in your information. You'll be sent over the information if you want to join this class, which is absolutely free. So far you have learned that you can do affiliate marketing. You can learn affiliate marketing for free. Now, of course, let's go to YouTube, video platform, whatever account you are. I don't know what all this stuff is because I'm not signed in, as you can see. So this is YouTube recommending stuff. You can just type in learn affiliate marketing and you can see tons of videos just in that example alone. Step by step for beginners, online free, for free, full course, step by step with Google, blah blah blah, right? And then you can just search all these videos that pop up. I do recommend some of these guys. They are very good at teaching. Some of them I don't recommend. But here's my point. You can learn for free right now affiliate marketing today. But the problem is with this kind of content, and no shame to any of these creators, I respect all of them and I know what they're trying to do. They don't teach exact every single step and every single secret behind the scenes that is necessary to get started in affiliate marketing. Yes, you can know some things, but not everything is revealed. That is why I suggest you follow someone that is giving away free content. Learn what it is for free. Then if you decide to trust them, go further working with them, then get into their courses, their classes, sign up underneath their email list, see what it is they're doing behind the scenes, what they're offering their people that have given their email. Like I said, if you want to see what I'm doing, just give me your email. You'll be on my email list. You'll get content you have not seen. No one ever on this internet that I've seen give away as much as I've been giving away for free, just because I want people to get results. Because I know what it was like when I started and I had no results and I didn't know what to do. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is future video content that I plan to put up this month at the recording. I do apologize. I didn't block this out. I wanted to kind of give you a sneak peek of some questions that were asked and what the upcoming events are that I'm going to be posting. So if you want to see those videos that are going to be coming up in the future, next week, the week after, according to this video right here, then I would suggest you to subscribe and turn on your notifications, bell notifications, so you know when the video is up and ready to be watched. But anyways, this is how I personally teach affiliate marketing for free. I use my YouTube channel, and then I use my TikTok account to drive more people of awareness to my account, and then my business on the back end. So hopefully this was helpful to you. I also want to share one more thing.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.